Maybe you are still confused about inserting images into Microsoft Word at once. Rather than inserting images one by one, the process will definitely take a long time. Well, in this tutorial I will share how. Read this tutorial until the end to find out how. First, go to the Insert menu, then select Picture, then you look for the photo or image you want to insert. Since we will insert many images at once, you select all the images. The method is to press and hold the Control button on the keyboard first, then click on some of the images you want, then release the Control button that we pressed earlier, and then you click Insert to insert the image. Automatically, several images will appear on the Word page. Or we can also use another method, namely after entering the Insert menu and selecting Picture, you click on one of the images, then press the Control button and press the A button simultaneously on the keyboard. Then all the existing images will be selected. How easy, right? That's how to insert many images at once in Microsoft Word. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.